Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy, 2 Y's, back in the Mob Museum with a whole nother banger, broski. Hey boy, we got some mob mail today, and pictures released of the Breds that's supposed to be dropping this holiday season, bro. Got the 45 stitched on the back. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that, man. Straight off the bat, get straight into it. You know what I'm saying? Drop that in the comment box. And while you doing that, let me give a shout out to all my OGs, youngest day ones, and new members alike, broski. Mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob. Put that shit on the mob. Mafia is my family. You know what I'm saying? Hey, no. As soon as you hit that subscribe button, you join the fam, one way in, no outs, bitch. On the mob. No, I'm playing, man. I'm bullshit. But look though, bro. You know what I'm saying? Everybody don't like what we got going on around here, so came up with some rules for their motherfucking ass. Rule number 1. My camera, my channel, I'm gonna do what I want whenever I feel like it, bro. Pretty much. You know what I'm saying? Upload what I feel like it, whenever. Rule number 2, this app called YouTube, this website or application, however you viewing this, it's called YouTube. That means be you on the tube, nothing more, nothing less. Rule number 3, if you don't like what you see, get the fuck on. Bitch! On the motherfucking mob, man. But hell yeah, bro. All that out the way, yeah, man. The 45s on the J's, dog. Hey, man. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Run it up. I figure what they gonna do, they gonna hit us with the high cut, cool grades. Why not put 45 on the back of that motherfucker too? You know what I'm saying? And then, as soon as they get done with that, run it back with the high cut 23 on the back. Why not? Let's do it. You know what I'm saying? I feel that's the way that it's going, and of course the price is gonna go up along the way. So, other than that, bro, we do got some mob mail in there, motherfucking man. Check us out, G. Hey. New merch that Quick Strike came, is gone. You can't get it if you got one. Hey, shout out to you, my dog, but it's out of here, bro. You can't get you one no more. And this joint here, can't wait to see what this is, man. One of the good homies from the mob sent this joint, so hey, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing table. Bust these joints open, see what it is. You did. Mob.
Used to want a record, this I fucking made my own flow. Used to wanna be on TV, said fuck it, made my own show. Broke his nigga in the room, said fuck it, got my own dough. 1300 apartment, rather spend that on a home dough. But them all got me, yeah them all got me, yeah them all got me, bitch them all got me, yeah them all got me, yeah them all got me, bitch them all got me, yeah 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 them all got me, yeah. If you feel like getting this paper on your own, yeah. Fuck, I hate to know your destiny greater, you better get it before it's gone. Hey, gotta watch out for the clones. These niggas they want what you got, bitch I keep it true to my bones. Cover my spot, bitch you on this shot. Let's talk cash, I want a lot. Changing my name to Big Nice. Want a Maserati photo. Did a summer so top out the top. Pull up a photo, no posing. Your girlfriend put my hand on her twat. Don't come to me talk about bitches. Quicker way to get popped. See how the mall roll you, bitch. Run up and get robbed. Every member is a star. We shoot straight to the top. Holy kiss, asking for keys. Who the fuck got a law? Sippin' mogo, blowing trees. Face good on the block. Used to want a record, this a fucking make my own flow. Used to take a nigga, bitch, boy, stop playing with grown folk. Tried to be cool with them, said fuck it and made my own crew. Never pocket watch the hate, cause that what bro boys do. Used to want a record, this a fucking make my own flow. Used to wanna be on TV, said fuck it, made my own show. Broke his nigga in the room, said fuck it, got my own dough. 1300 apartment, rather spend that on a home dough. But them all got me, yeah them all got me, yeah them all got me, bitch them all got me, yeah them all got me, yeah them all got me, bitch them all got me, yeah them all got me.
Mob, bro, we are back, man, and dog, I'm so excited about this shirt, man. Shout out to everybody who got one while they was available. They are gone now. The quality is on point. I am dumb happy with it. Y'all know I hit it with the signature little mob heart on the back, man. But cuz, yeah, this joint on point, bro. Like, if I say so myself, bro, I bodied this one. Yeah, I bodied this one. Survivor right there. You know what I'm saying? With a barcode font. But yeah, check out Arya face. Look at the Night King face. You know what I'm saying? Hey, sometimes you gotta AI for your survival, bro. You gotta put in that work. But dumb happy about this. I really want to do like a fit of the day type deal with this shirt. So look out for that. You know what I'm saying? It might just be a quick little fit, throw it on. You know what I'm saying? Check my Instagram. I just put a picture up of what I would wear with it. You know what I'm saying? I throw a little screenshot up real quick, but I really want to, you know what I'm saying, put it on and see how it will look on body, whatever the case may be. Try a couple of different pair of pants and shirts with it, cause yo, this is literally one of them shirts you can wear anything. You know what I'm saying? I could put on any shoe and it's gonna go. Like, look, bam, with a Kyrie. Like, some kind of way it worked, some kind of way it matched. This motherfucker, this color right here is a beast, man. It's like a washed out yellow, kind of hard to explain it, but fucks with it heavily and thoroughly. But yeah, man. And the pop, yo, hey, it's a grill. Shout out that boy Black Professor X sending this jump through. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I told him to hold it for me, and he did. I think I wait too long. He was about to let that joint go. I hit him in the DM like, hey, you know what I'm saying? What's the credentials? We made that happen real quick. And hell yeah, bro, got this GameStop exclusive Super Saiyan 3 Goku, bro. Looks so cool. Dope as hell. You know what I'm saying? GameStop exclusive stick on there. And yeah, man, check out the side of the box. Super Saiyan 3 Goku pop number 492, half head at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Pop animation up top. On the back, the rest of the figures that came in this set. Yeah, pop animation, Dragon Ball Z, Super Saiyan 3 Goku pop 492. Crazy how that ran. Kinda dope though. Half body on the side. Art, Dragon Balls all in the background. You know what I'm saying? Got the pop in the pose. Pop animation up top. We already know what's at the bottom of that joint. And yeah. Oh my gosh. I don't want to open this yet. I really don't want to open this yet, but I'm about to. I'm about to. Up close and personal with y'all as well. Let's see what he looking like, man. I display all my DBZ pops anyway, so might as well get him out the box. And look at him, he look mean as shit in my hand. He like Rooster Man. All the pops when they face be balled up be looking like my little baby. Looking mean as shit. Look like he ready to throw that Kamehameha. Kamehameha. Or whatever y'all wanna call that, bitch. Man, his hair is heavy as shit. I hope it stand up. I don't know how I'm gonna get it to stand up over there with the rest of my Dragon Ball Z pops, but I stand them all up. Hair looking cool as hell. Check him out, bro. I fucks with it. On the side. But yeah, man, sick ass pop. And once again, man, shout out that boy BPXHD. Y'all subscribe to his channel. I'ma pop it in, man. Y'all check my boy out. Give him a sub, bro. And yeah, bro, we like dumb close. Oh, let me get back in focus. We are dumb close. We are dumb close to hit 14K. Let's do it, broski. On the motherfucking mod, man. And almost at 2 million views as well. So yo, dead ass, appreciate all the support, man. Let's hit these goals, bro, for real. Push that subscribe button if you're trying to see your boy hit these goals. I want 50K as soon as possible, and we on the way to hitting 2 million. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take a quick little pit stop at 14, but after that, nigga, we right back on it. You know what I'm saying? Mob from my family to yours, stay all the way up, broski. When I drop these quick strikes, get on them. Cause this bitch fire. Hell yeah. And yeah, man, look out for like a little quick fit of the day or something. I'm gonna try to shoot that right now, actually, before I even edit this video. So, mob, y'all stay all the way up, fam. For my fan of yours, mob.
Mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob,